Hey guys, one of our bike reports today, we've got the KTM300 in. We've got a bunch of bikes in the workshop that we have to get through, but this is the one we'll be focusing on. It's an earlier model, it's a 2014 model. This one came out with the dreaded 4CS forks, and we're going to be doing a major overhaul with those forks. We'll be installing base adjusters so we have compression in each leg and rebound in each leg, and that gives us the opportunity to get rid of that dividing system that they've got in the 4CS, which really hampers with performance. We'll be converting the forks to open chamber, which will make them a lot more durable and a lot more reliable, but it gives us an opportunity to get much better valving outcomes from it as well. And so by the time we get this bike back together, massive gains will be had in the front end, and it's there where you're going to develop the most amount of control, most amount of confidence in the motorcycle. One of the things with these 300s, they are so light that you really have to be careful that you don't overspring the front end. Otherwise they do become very, very deflective, and you have to be cautious as to how much preload you put on the fork springs as well. So it's just something that we've learned through the testing, and we do get a really, really good outcome with the front end of these bikes. With the rear, we're going to be putting the telescopic needle in there. This is the old PDS system, and I much prefer the older shocks to the newer ones. But this is something that we're going to do. We'll get a really good gain, much more stability, more grip, and we'll be putting a bladder in there as well. So by the time we're finished with this bike, it's going to be wholesale improvements. But the biggest thing with the front end, be very, very careful with these 4CS. They can cause you a lot of grief, but over the years we've come to know and appreciate all the things that we need to do with this bike, and it'll be a quantum leap from the bike that was delivered this morning. So, okay, thank you.